Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Asana Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. Here, click Install and Allow and Install. Refresh your page. When your page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab that contains information about the application. The second tab is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Asana account online. Click on your profile and Settings. In Settings, click on Apps. Scroll down to the bottom and click on View Developers Console. In the Developers Console, click on Create New Token. Give it the name of your choice. Check this box and you click Create Token. The token has been created. Copy the token and you click on Done. Head back to your account and paste the token where required. Then you click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Next is the Support tab. And here you can create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you need any help. Finally, the change log keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.